The auto start-stop feature in your Chevy Silverado automatically shuts off the engine when you come to a complete stop, then restarts it when you're ready to move. This system is designed to improve fuel efficiency, especially in city driving with frequent stops. However, many Silverado owners find this feature intrusive. The engine shutting off and restarting can feel jarring, and some drivers worry about increased wear on the starter and battery components. To temporarily disable Auto Start Stop, locate the button near your gear shifter. It typically has an A with a circular arrow symbol. Press this button once, and you'll see an indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, showing the system is now off. Keep in mind that this button method is only temporary. You'll need to press the button every single time you start your vehicle. The system automatically resets to enabled when you turn off and restart your Silverado. Some newer Silverado models offer a second option through the infotainment system. Access your touchscreen settings, navigate to Vehicle, then Engine Settings. Look for an Auto Start-Stop toggle option. However, this feature varies by model year and trim level, so it may not be available on all vehicles. In summary, you have two temporary options to disable Auto Start-Stop: the button method that works on all models but must be repeated each startup, or the infotainment settings method available on some newer vehicles. Both approaches provide immediate relief from the system without permanent modifications. For permanent auto start-stop disabling, aftermarket devices offer reliable solutions. Two popular options are the Range AFM/DFM disabler and the Auto Stop Eliminator. The Auto Stop Eliminator is specifically designed for start-stop systems and connects to your vehicle's data link connector, typically located in the driver's footwell area. Before installing aftermarket devices, understand the warranty implications. Using non-GM approved modifications may affect your powertrain warranty coverage. Disabling Auto Start-Stop has both advantages and disadvantages. Benefits include reduced starter and battery wear, plus elimination of restart delays. However, you'll see a 3 to 8% decrease in fuel economy. Understanding when Auto Start-Stop naturally won't engage helps you make informed decisions. The system remains inactive when the engine hasn't reached operating temperature, typically around 195 degrees Fahrenheit. The system also won't activate when battery charge is low or when air conditioning is running at high demand. These conditions protect critical vehicle systems and ensure reliable operation. Before proceeding with permanent disable solutions, weigh these factors carefully. Consider your driving patterns, warranty concerns, and whether the benefits outweigh the fuel economy impact for your specific needs.